Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use 11 Labs. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly what you have to do is just simply type in 11 Labs and 11 Labs. Firstly you might have to create an account, so just simply do that. You will also get free features if you're not going to use the paid version, so you can keep that in mind as well. So currently I am on my free version, but in paid version you'll find that you will have a lot of features and options, and in the paid version you also get a huge amount of words to generate voiceovers. You will have a lot of options as you see over here. So let me go through the options one by one. So the very first page and the very first option is speech synthesis. That means over here you will have to just simply paste your script or whatever text you want to be get a voiceover off. Just simply paste it right over here. Choose the voice over here. I will get back to the voice option over here, but first let me show you some voice settings. Depending on the voice you will have to adjust the settings, and in settings you will have three options: stability, clarity and style. Style exaggeration is a new feature, so I would suggest just simply don't use it that much. Now the best values that I found which will give you the best result and the human like sound is in stability simply go with 30, in clarity just simply go with 44, and I just simply kept the style completely off. Now again the settings will vary depending on the voice that you have. If you're using an artificial voice, so that's another story. So let's say I have another voice over here and the settings for this voice is different. As you can see, for this particular voice the settings are for stability 30, for clarity 44, and for style again 0, and for style 8. Now again depending on the voice you will have to adjust the settings. This is a female voice, but in general if you're using a female voice just simply go with these settings over here, and for male just simply go with these settings over here. Now let's move on to the other options. So the second option is projects. So click on that and you will be able to see all the projects that you have made so far, but in order to see that you will have to get the paid version. Now in the dubbing option you will be able to create voices from other people. Click on create new dubbing. Over here you can upload and paste links. Over here you can upload the video or you can paste the links of videos over here from YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Vimeo and any other URL. So you will have both options. You can upload a video and you can paste the link as well. Choose the language and style that the person is speaking in the video, then name your project over here. You can click on create. You can also play with advanced settings over here if you want to. Now once you're done with that you will be able to create successful dubbing of other people's. Now if you want to create a dubbing of your own voice, you will also have the option of that as well. For that just simply go to Voice Labs, and as you can see I've already created 3 voices of my own. To create your own voice clone just simply click on the plus option. As you can see I'm on the free version, so I can only make 3 voices, but let me show you how to do it. To create a voice of your own just simply click on that. So if you are using paid version you have to choose instant cloning, and if you're on the professional version you can choose the professional voice cloning, but for most of you should be choosing instant voice cloning. You have to upload few videos of your own where you will be speaking some random text, and while you're speaking the text your voice should be clear without any music, and you have to upload 15 clips and all the clips should be at least 1 minute long. So after that just simply give all the audio clips to the 11 Labs AI. They will create your own voice. After that you will also have the option to use pre-made voices created by the community of 11 Labs by going to voice library, and right over here you will have a lot of voices that are free to use and you can use it for a lot of things, and you will find a huge variety of voices. To listen the voice you can just simply click on sample and you will be able to hear the sample. Now if you want to use the voice you can click on add to voice lab, add a name, and then click on add voice, and then you can start using that voice. Now lastly it is history. It will show you everything that you have done so far. That's it, and thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe to our channel. Take care.